The Adventure of Lily and the Magic Book. Chapter 1. A Strange Book. Lily was a 10-year-old girl. She loved to read books. Every day, she went to the library after school. One day, Lily found a strange book. It was big and old. The cover was blue with gold letters. The title said, "The Magic Book." Lily opened the book. Inside, the pages were shiny. There were no words, only a small note. "Say open magic, and your adventure will begin." Lily was excited. She whispered, "Open magic." Suddenly, the book started to glow. A bright light came out. Lily felt a strong wind. Then, whoosh! Lily disappeared. Chapter 2. A New World. Lily opened her eyes. She was not in the library. She was in a green forest. The trees were tall. The flowers were big and colorful. Birds with golden feathers sang sweet songs. Lily looked around. "Where am I?" she asked. A small rabbit jumped near her. It had blue fur and big, bright eyes. "Hello, little girl," the rabbit said. Lily gasped. "You can talk?" "Yes," the rabbit said. "You are in the magic land." "Magic land?" Lily asked. "How do I go home?" The rabbit pointed to a tall mountain. "The Wizard of Magic Land can help you," it said. Lily smiled. "Then I must find the wizard." Chapter 3. The River of Talking Fish. Lily walked through the forest. After some time, she came to a river. The water was clear, and inside were many colorful fish. "Hello, little girl," the fish said. Lily was surprised. "The fish can talk too?" "Yes," said a red fish. "Where are you going?" "I need to find the wizard," Lily said. The fish pointed to a bridge. "Cross this bridge and follow the golden path," they said. Lily thanked the fish and crossed the bridge. She was excited. This adventure was amazing. Chapter 4. The Friendly Giant. Lily walked for hours. She was tired. Then, she saw a big shadow. It was a giant. He was very tall but had kind eyes. "Hello, little girl," the giant said. "Are you lost?" Lily was not afraid. "I need to find the wizard," she said. The giant smiled. "I can help. I will take you to the wizard's castle." Lily climbed onto the giant's shoulder. He walked fast. "Thank you, Mr. Giant," Lily said. "You are welcome," said the giant. Chapter 5. The Wizard's Castle. After a long walk, Lily saw a big castle. It was golden and shiny. "This is the wizard's castle," the giant said. Lily knocked on the big door. Boom, boom, boom. The door opened. An old man with a long white beard stood there. "Welcome, Lily," the wizard said. Lily was surprised. "You know my name?" "Yes," said the wizard. "The magic book brought you here. Can you help me go home?" Lily asked. The wizard smiled. "Yes, but first, you must answer a riddle." Chapter 6. The Riddle. The wizard gave Lily a riddle. "I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? Lily thought carefully. No mouth, no ears, but I can hear. Oh, an echo. The wizard clapped his hands. Very good, Lily. The wizard waved his hand. A golden door appeared. This door will take you home, he said. Lily was happy. Thank you, wizard. She stepped through the golden door. Chapter 7. Home again. Whoosh! Lily opened her eyes. She was back in the library. The magic book was on the table. But now, the cover was blank. Lily smiled. What an adventure! She put the book back on the shelf. Maybe one day, someone else will find it. Lily left the library, happy and excited. She would never forget her magical adventure.